Okay, something else I wanted to show you guys. We put those May West Stalk Stompers on the combine Chet's running Air Force One. Honestly, they're doing a nicer job than our other ones. So I got a side by side with the two different heads, our old Stalk Stompers and these May West ones. So these May West Stompers are busting them out almost at the root. Like, it's laying the entire what's left of the stock down to the ground, and they're busted. That's going to save our tires. This next row over is our old combine, and I think the springs, you know, might be getting a little shot, or they definitely have their acres on them, but you can tell the difference right here. So it's leaving 3-4 inches of corn stalk that's not busted, it's not flattened, versus those May West Stompers, they're crushing the whole stem down, the whole stalk down. So I'm liking what I see there. Plus, they're a lot simpler. It's just plastic and metal on those Stalk Stompers versus our old ones. You got springs you got to replace that snap. If you hit a rock or you hit a bump and they get bent back too much, they snap the spring. So they're higher maintenance versus what I think these May Wests will be. We don't have enough acres on them to really know how long they last or what breaks on them first. But I think the guys told us 5,000, or they showed us one with 5,000 acres on it, and it was wore down, but it wasn't shot yet at that point. So check them out, guys. May West Stalk Stompers. Can I do a link in the description? Check it out.